And for the record show host, Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones, on the Kama president, soon we are say. I say, Kama president, oh my beg, Kama Excellency the president, John Dramani Mahama. If I small can you say, I no, a better track a man for IP address. Near Cochu Mufin, a tune so you may go court, you may go court. Now, you're jelly woman. Say, some of Mahama Becca, that's sensitive, Becca, you know. Afrifa, any Kama president, I'll be replying. The mountain will not tell you, Amami. Ewa comment section. I have Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Or better like keep video no other my subscribe button. So I click beneficiaries and connect latest updates. Now better why join the mama. Ewa comment section. Best was also about so no share for so any be assured. It when it comes to the issue of hate speech. Ewa Ghana politics. In fact, there be a mekase. I brand name this for field. A honey who say insult in politics. Massa jai. Me do nya me jai. Insult in politics. Mahama Kragi can't be chill. This is daily graphic report. What Mahama said about good father. Just even Mahama himself. Abrana or yeah, you know, flag bearer for NDC or no, as a former president, opposition party leader. As even a catch the good father, a whole sitting president. What I say? I said Mahama I catch it and I just said, hate speech there. Ebe course, I came to know Dinipa tem near the Adeke cannot drink tear him for United, we try him for Unity. But I said, well, you can't do a pair. Then this is for a TikTok or her honor. Sabi dear Kufa tem Horona no peri and you a Kufa here say obetu, you know, the insanity on the media, obetu as I start all this chairman for. And this is for ye ever can the Kufa incite culture of silence, or instigate culture of silence. A Kufa instigate culture of silence, I the end yardma. Onyai mo bian can he should allow freedom of the press, freedom of the press. What I say? Allow no be expressing itself freely. It needs to intimidate to be a winner cry. I'm going to check out this month. We'll get a demonstration about that. I'm going to check him about I'm going to demonstration about that. Just say, Ogasemo be a coin, Ogasemo be a coin one cassa. It needs to intimidate to be a. Sada could there be na MP for to co-field almost as that year. To be Emma, His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, almost can be no. Now, anyone on Anna Mahama and see omiti the media, the first encounter with the media after to obey a president to be no. I want to go to me, more timid and so more passive hate speech, any hate comment, any idea, I don't know. Now, no. National Signal Bureau, no, or more, any some technology beer, or pass a comment on social media, bet my track it. You bet my track your phone through your IP address, never your location about bet chill, yeah, chill. You make sure I don't go caught near Jelu. What I say? And so Mahama a kind and a free for the records, what I reply. And then call on Facebook for the record page. So Adenya, we will trace your IP address. Shift, make we pass. Who is the biggest beneficiary of hate speech and emotional abuse? Focus. Everybody to them say, Adenya, you better track you with your IP address. Catch it. Show me about. Shift make we pass. Pastor, show me any cry, my any cry. Why they young fast? So when it comes to the issue of hate speech, why they young fast so personal? I nene. What's the we better track here. People say about my age. Cho. That will come as a Kama president. Soon we as a channel Kama president. Also, Abai can be part actually Mahama.
Mahama. Welcome me to the media or another press. Na enso de bebre apiem number 1 enkofa se omadwa media fo na ekoye ne papa ana ye bu so mse de na mamudwa media na ekoye na mo se na nka number 1 question wo so mu bisa nyina ne se papa Mahama de na Kevin ano ya Taylor free America buy na o man security e man baby die na mo hwe ya ma asem no Supreme Court e gba asem no tugu ye na offer no di free nso omante number 2 say omante say media for na call ye netimi bio manum ebusa say papa Mahama last year about one before ye beto no campaign no o ka eye enkokọ nkete bi ho asem eno nso so besi ne bosome nwotwe aba nkokọ de ye omo ye hyase January no mu anu ankasa abro ma hyase eto omo manyini nso ankasa abro manyini ye de bi ye nkate nkwan ne eye emoforo ye but nsanjira for na so mokwa mu yemum so mo fere papa no se so mo mfuru mo obi ntimi hu ana mso wo ba mebusa se hu hia se e wosanka mo busa sa kwahye na na se ne koye ne sa ayi
sofo
akora
onyuntinu na bo ne no o se ohene ba ene papa de etiase o anumenu aso ne de one ne de eda prebu sanity obi ema wa
ya na wa kai o
sanity azofo ohireba ene de papa de eti ase obi enu hono ma ne baba ka se komode na pa no da ho a on tama na wo kire wo abreso ede onwe jo mama ne ba ne piesie ne Kevin Taylor eti fa ne se ke wa enka be de oye sa no be ye John Dramani Mahama insult ni de ontimi twem Ghana ha ende ontimi twem
sia
obechi mo fogumu kwa
ande wo kwa de me ya sa me ba me tufu o se de o kasa na odidi atam na o ya yi kakra yi a
o da bi
ya be money 1000 ya
azofo
me ba nyina me se tufu
unu se unu se ye kasa pole ene o kasa kwa ene o nya sasem
ene o kasa nyansa
ye tunufu ye me di watam ne mo ye tufu se ni o de ahwede be fie no ono na de nwansa de e ba ye na de na buru ba kane no se de o che no ono de timodin de e ba ye John Dramani Mahama president ye respect pa but everybody in Ghana you know say you play dirty politics and sana who win seats one win seat with cleanness who play dirty politics okromwa mo ala Kevin Taylor e mani di otufo opimso atem na de manda ifufuo mentimendi ni buada ye di ohini mo we atem ohini ono King Stars the second it me tons afre no Ghana alone only the di enim de bia mamo John Dramani Mahama president entimi am tweet sir Kevin Taylor you are going too far and as a back door obi nim common Kevin Taylor de edi celebrities so kromwa we did obi atem emu mema from journalists just say Ghana for a useless ema Kevin Taylor o sure Kevin Taylor ye na ye bia otimi didi etitaf diama fatem mama wan ka bibia none of the NDC leaders even tweeted that you are going too far look some trust some chairmanfo a the esi was high and confirm one no you can't stop the youth you can't stop the youth me say whatever demonstration will fall about the youth if all the boys go put call we go join force we go join hand it is how no so take of follow o me juma tempa say the so ye no sa na wi abeye adu prema dan wanje ana kokuo ana chimpanzee ana ne wo hu na ye editing twapape mama akasa tunanu to say adu prema o twa etes obewu wo se papa in call the video is there ojina CPA ka say ma Akufo do obewu ondu eyi ana ma obisu do wo tatamu a mo dem ko chi nipa na kotum President Mahama we respect you we love you ye pa chaw obeye ma oyemu mafo di watam kwa papa we enka plan ho kasa sa speech to be my enka ka say galamse boys ni na mo me na share one side na ye nin komone fa adwen a enka putu wu na say a wa sojafo esa sojafo bi akomanso akobobo esbitu na galamse ni de obi anja tu na anja tu china o because mo obi adwuma ye first na me support it but the come deep no osofo
yeah
boys bre
omo bre tia
boys ne bre
street na issue street no so issue
abrantia anko ma atopa ko nya bimbu enso ka tete na kede abetie ene bu atopa se botom na aba
botom na kasa
enka tete na ka obeti emodu a utmi chi akrantie utmi chi otwemefia na oba de no do ama wo utmi do ba yerefuo do ba chefuo do kokofuo a na ya ka ma gbosofo ama wo enso ne botom enye de kasa Galamsey is not going to stop in Ghana today or tomorrow. More providing jobs are my you to know. More moving all the foreigners companies to our villages. Tell them what to do. Don't sit in Ghana and let foreigners tell you what to do. Foreigners are telling Ghanaians what to do. Eti Galamsey ni die. O ma peni mama. E de tokọ about Ghana ha. E de be so. Obi enja ne enja tena. Obi tire kwase. Abra onya adwuma nye. Auto credit or just school fees or any man or any bia last boy be ko via board here 23 years the man no are mo ba mo yobe mo ba ye mutumo no mutuo se sabi adwuma ni wono mo enso nka enkokọ ketekete na mafo benye mo be enkokọ no we ke hu ye kama kara enkokọ ketekete aba se boy samo portrait farm aye no obi ava ne dimra na ye fon fa titie hu de na maye kasa tenten ko a so God, I'm saying, boys, they are going to do their work. You don't have any work to give to them, and they will not starve and die with their family whilst you are enjoying Ghana and enjoying the money. Kuruma Ghana say rumu jai ne china. I mean handles with the presidents. O friend baby about catch your plane. They will not stop today and they will not stop tomorrow. Mama juma no munye. And yes, Ghana ye na idea ye na ebewu assassin ye na idea nye obi adia. Wa assassin de odu sika to ne kwapa nya odia obewu agya ho. So fi nko enim.
Ano krampono anya odia obewu agya ho sia asem we de pi ba me nwom na ma me mesra wadama why na me fa ncheche fe yure
ti ko mo na kamitele di lawyers ekuku da matam judicial for penifo mabobra akọ school
asofo
abare na made ye no
ahemfo
abare na made ye no just power ti
didi achem hini atam
asofo me me dia me bo dia
to gba fede
me
didi omu nyina
o chi me kwasi achi okromu a fa me kobla me bo dia onu asifo na mekumu eduabo bebem okromu a because yet say e ba ku fon kwa den edidi na the whole entire nation no be a struggle and they could hear you to go Libya. Ghana for a good prison Libya oh mobo. Ghana for a good prison Arab countries mobo. Ghana for youth and so asase wa how edmane way asase wa edmane way asofo jaw mo ni mbre the da youth be tin entisukoko no no say yes kromu a ahohoma sole
man kan kira wo se iye matachnie kachira no ma se nisu awosin ode asem beba ena wo se me se emfa wo hu se wo hu yanko we shout out to Samuel Owusu yase so panyiniti fie no se hwemfa no wa ebedu da bi no na asem kro no a good
timi se ochehene papa we ochehene amocho for penny kevitela we timi bia no se papa we kwase di na tem
ntuma mu kankan otumfo
Nigeria o se obi so de chama henfo ne da Nigeria henfo o se YouTube so de put do matem da why now president mama you are in Ghana here you are in Ghana here mama you are here look o tu obi atumo o me dia to me so sa the youth were in shocks. Nobody will arrest anybody. Obi ato fun obi here. Obi ato data obi here. So do the right thing so that they will not insult anybody. Kevin tell at Eastwood school. What Eastwood school Ghana?
Academy.
Academy. I'm out for video there be a posty. No mo to no mo here. What about what kasa here?
Oba ye.
Ghana na dia o do bia dia.
Oba ye. Mujano. So pa chewo say ye do obi anim na mama ne ko free
ko ba ye
janka wo be kasa kura
unim the most stupid thing ka kwa say omo wini power wie no the same thing about guso ade oye and na ka wo hwe the same thing about guso ade oye and so mama Julia Debra mami voice obi aka here they are quite about it obechi obi eduabo na be koso Ghana ye be boom one match jom mo wo say yes. If you want to politics a dirty game. If you don't want to be insulted, then stop politics in Ghana here.
Quit
politics.
Simple as that. Simple as that.
We want to go Krumasi. I put all.
Na usro atechempa bo enye Natalia na.
Man born for whatever few bullets. Ube dia brace one say.
Anka obe kan wa say ukra na anka wa kaka vintela de kakra aka zo.
That is it. Who come say? Otufo Usiana now one now the dapam now yeah when Kevin Taylor was insulting the keys in Ghana here nobody even tweeted say Kevin you are going too far just a tweet Kevin you are going too far and Kenya Ghana focus mama can you na kwa na so den o call to me you are mute about it and the mama about it wine look
see
brand people boba da sunsun wi ase abrantie pa ojana na so pa me na me nka de ka ho kama sin kama no tum na me di agro ka no ba o be ha me so for chaso
oya maya so kwate brema na fe umpeso
abrante bi ba pa anyhow any form none of you step out or even came up to twist say abrante stop what you are doing. You are going too far. Politics you do when you watching here. You do when you dey watching here. Mama Ghana politics akoye enemy and to kwa nkasa na say mo dey politics na ye ye man power so mutimi nya hwe mo kasa gbegbegbegbe mo ba so a mutimi nya he bi be no mutimi ma Ghana na mutimi ye apart from the old resource na kwa me kuma ba egu no eno na mudidi hu dey be pa na mutimi ye
chen ka dey yam fa say oye sa dirty game no e dey bo am we need power ena nka ma ba power
nka we jan
ofiachi ni
asa ka tufu se won jan naka ene ma papa wo ba be ye no o bo hu de wuro naka party no nya numunyam and so still the foolish young man is still doing the state dirty work he's doing.
The foolish
young man
is still doing his foolish.
Now when Jimmy ya ka be di ukro for matem akofa blonia ono extra kwa no we use nchen no wo be di Ghana for matem e ma papa bi e ma mo jare 3,000 a day o yiri bloni wa ma ko nyale ye 1 month na so kan ye so da ho be di Ghana for matem mama obe man ko ni na tem rough me ka kire o ene ekota so we do chama for pa dia boss bebem dia bo bebem
yokofo mumba mo
ana police for no dia bi be bia na sume be no mu dia che mu tu ka ne pelefon se wo de enko na abani ba sa na ekoso no mu dia che dia bo ko bebem dia bo bebem wo be wo jaye na o ma ho na mo so bre dia bo mo kana dia bo bebem dia bo bebem yeti kromo amudi yo tu fatem yeti kromo ana mo che for penny mo di na tem yeti kromo ana mampo hina onya be ko mo di na tem yeti kromo ana koda
to gba fede odokora je ne die
ba ku fo the entire nation all the dignities all the rich beings all the first class beings can tell did obi atem Mahama de okaye I respect Mahama ba we on the bad here you be trouble no o ma che tum ya bre no ne di jobo so ma
correct
ona was about the country mo do
okay wa mo Kevin Taylor ni dis odokora se manager ba o se mo chese ye de ye ni mo ha ama paye kafra why men ka
massa
so china unya another opportunity
you bet me you susu as me e chop power no kita no
woka na
wa bo ho ban ya o bo ba bia ho ban hey
woka no
asma be ka no kan ye kra
akufa no
ka ba address no e ka festing ka Kevin Taylor je na karbe fato
wato amane no Kevin
say
na ne o ya no kwala ne hwa so
penimu a wo fie otimi tu kwalafo
no yebu na nkayo
say yebu na kaifo a oka hu bi because enkwala de na kan ba no ono na esoja ono na che bia e fato ne prapra ho wa wie afile ka se na kan na mnya o cheche wo chwa che wan osofo
akura
se de so ye no sa na wi abeye
sa no wi abeye
every you to know musima no se kai kubesi kai give it to them anyhow eno na koso kromu a se Kevin Taylor no mo tunifo ana mo tunifo so mo ba mo tunifo they should come and take Ghanaians se Kevin you tunifo se wonjan
and I say one kasa maye
men tunifo our back door come out and speak to the nation say mo ba mo ten no nya sa MPP youth mo musima no se kubesi kai pa
yeah I
shobo bia
Ghana Nigeria
Chire wadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media